This walk starts at Clearwater Bay Road near the village of Tseng Lan Shue in Hong Kong's New Territories. The route initially follows the Wilson Trail Section 3. At a fork in the path, the route takes the left option and follows a trail along a well-formed footpath along the Little Hawaii Trail. Passing through lush greenery, the trail reaches Little Hawaii Falls, site of a former hydroelectric power station. The remains of the dam can still be seen. The power station was built in the early 1900s to supply electricity to a local flour mill, long since closed. Leaving Little Hawaii, the path meanders downhill through dense bush to reach a four-way junction. Taking the trail to the right leads to Yuen Terrace Falls. Yuen Terrace, downstream from Little Hawaii, is a popular spot for hikers and swimmers. Leaves Yuen Terrace and heads along an undulating path towards Choi Lam Estate. Arriving at Choi Lam Estate, the local road leads to Po Lam Road North, eventually arriving at Po Choi Park, with the route finishing near the Po Lam Mass Transit rail station. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click share, like and subscribe. You're more than welcome to view the other videos on this channel. Look forward to meeting you again.